Educare's mission is to prepare students for global competitiveness. We are here for sharing education because we believe in learning, sharing, and helping. Our idea is to resolve the problems of complexity of studies, reduces the pressure of work, decreases the stress of studies, helps students in their studies.
The business canvas model. Number one component is the key partner. It includes investors and professional. And whereas the investor would help us in enlarging this platform, professional can also have the account for people who are willing to pay for customized note topics. Key activities of this canvas model includes students who are providing notes. Second are the simple reading notes, which would be helping the students to have a better insight for the notes. Three is the customized note, and number four is the feedback form. If they are having any issues, so that the management can follow in regardless of the app. Number third is value proposition. It includes making notes accessible to the students, covering all the major subjects around the Pakistan as well as international in few of the books. It also includes chapters, case studies, and solved question availables, accessible of notes to part-time workers who do not have time to prepare their notes, making learning engagements and easy to use applications. These are the value proposition. Number fourth is the customer relationship. It includes feedback form as well as it includes requests for customized notes to have a better and to have a strong relationship with the customers. Key resources. It includes management and team members, hosting infrastructure and application developer. We are also having channel which are social media, internet, target based website and mobile based application. It would help us to reach our audience and to engage our audience to our app. Next component is revenue stream of this is advertisement revenue model. As we would be earning through advertisement, no charges would be applied for the consumer.
We have divided our cost into two types, which is startup cost and operational expenses. We have made 6 months projections for a cost. The startup cost only occurs once and the operational expenses are for the 6 months. The company registration fees is 12,000 rupees. The application development and maintenance for the year is 150,000. Computers cost will be 80,000. Furniture cost will be 50,000 and copyrights cost will be 5,000 rupees. By looking at the operational expenses, salaries for 6 months will be 300,000, supplies for 6 months will be 24,000, digital marketing expense for 6 months is 90,000, banners, pamphlets, SMS marketing will be for 105,000, miscellaneous expense will be for 60,000 rupees. So the total cost for 6 months will be 864,000.
The target customer of this application are students who face problem in studying and getting notes of different teachers, books and authors basically. Through our application, they can get access to different notes. This application provides aids to students in easily getting lectures and notes of author, and they can even request for tuition from those author if they wants to. There are some consumption barrier of our application, which are our application is for those who shouldn't be reluctant to use technology, who have some know-how of use of technology and who have with them some laptop, palm top so that they can easily download our application and can get benefit out of it. The potential which we see in our application is that one student get use of our application in getting A's of notes, this easily their productivity will increase. They can use it again and again in getting their notes because they know their productivity are increasing, their grades are also improving, so they can use their notes easily and they don't have to think about that they have to pay a lot of money in getting the access of note because our application is free of cost for all our customers. The basic business model which we follow is that our application minimizes the waste of time and resources, and it provides a one-click solution to all our customers. The critical uncertainties involved is that there might be some legal obligation related to online application. Some government's rules and regulation are also involved. Our application can be removed from forum based on list rating. We also have a testing plan for our application. We can test our application on few smartphones and tablet and see customer response. Moreover, the feedback option will also help us in this regard.
It simply works by signing into your account. All you have to do is, after signing in, search your required topics. Now you can have a lot of notes for one topic. You can have options for selecting the top-rated author's note. It's all your choice, whether you want to download it or save it into your Educare's library for later use. You can also get tuition from the author simply by accepting his charges given in a description box. You can also share your notes by clicking on the Add button. If you don't find any topic, don't worry, just click on the Request button and submit your customized request. Here is the option of Library, from where you can access your Educare's library. Now you can get all your saved notes here. You can also give us feedback and rating, which will help us to provide you the better services. For further details, contact us through email or visit our website educares.weebly.com. Thank you.